Can you run a hybrid meeting with just a smartphone? 15 minutes before the start of our last hybrid meeting, the Wi-Fi connection failed. In this video, you will learn how to run a hybrid meeting on a smartphone. My name is Markus. I am a hybrid meeting expert. Check out the links to additional resources in the video description. There you can also learn more about my online class, Master Your Hybrid Meetings. My normal hybrid meeting setup runs on a laptop, and to that laptop I connect a real camera, a projector, so that we have high quality video in and out of the meeting. I also use a conference speakerphone that I connect via Bluetooth so that we have high quality audio in and out of the meeting. In my default setup, I also include a smartphone on a little tripod, and that functions as an additional camera directed towards the audience so that the online participants can not only see the speaker, but can also see the rest of the room. My laptop does not have a mobile data connection, and in our meeting room, there is also no wired internet connection. In practice, that meant that I could no longer rely on the laptop-based solution and had to move over the entire setup to run on a smartphone using mobile data. I placed my main smartphone on the podium on the stage, and that meant that I could see the rest of the Zoom meeting on the little smartphone screen, and the online audience could see me through the selfie camera on the smartphone. All of the gear I'm talking about in this video is linked in the video description. For audio, I'm happy that I had my Bluetooth conference speakerphone. This is the PolySync 20. Usually I would connect it to the laptop, but because it has that Bluetooth connection, I was able to switch it quickly and connect it to the smartphone instead. This now meant that we had a super high quality audio solution both in and out of the room. That conference speakerphone has microphones that will pick up the voices of everybody around the table, plus it has a speaker so that we can hear what our online participants are saying. Another piece of this improvised setup was a second mobile phone. Actually, this was the phone of one of the participants. She also had the Zoom app on the phone and a mobile data connection, so she was able to log into the same meeting from her phone. We placed the second phone on the table with this mobile phone clamp. During the meeting, the screen of the second phone was turned towards the audience. In this configuration, that second phone served two purposes. One, we were using the selfie camera to give the online participants a view of the rest of the audience. And two, we were using the screen as a secondary screen so that the audience members sitting down in their chairs could see the online participants. At the end of the day, we were able to run a successful and effective hybrid meeting with this improvised setup using only mobile data connections. Certainly, we were missing the high quality video from our normal setup where I would use a real camera and a projector. But given these limitations, I think we did a pretty good job in executing the rest of this hybrid meeting. If you really want to level up your hybrid meetings, then check out my online course, Master Your Hybrid Meetings. Just go to markuspresents.com/hybrid for more information. One aspect in particular worked well, and that was the audio, because this is in fact the same conference speakerphone that I'm using in my normal hybrid meeting setup. To learn more about how to set up audio in your hybrid meetings, click or tap the screen right here. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing. My name is Markus. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.